Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DSi Regular. Light blue variant po natin. So, our stylus, nasa likod lang po siya. On na natin yung unit. And pakita ko lang din po yung charging ng ating unit. So, once you plug your charger sa inyong unit, just between these two lights, magkakaroon po ng orange light sa gitna. Okay. Ayan. So, this indicates that our unit is charging. And then you notice yung battery icon natin will also show us running. So, kita ko lang din yung ating buttons. By the way, this order is going pala to Naga City, Cebu. Yeah. So, our LR button, and then ABXY natin, directional buttons, our select start, and yung ating touchscreen. Now, for the games, actually, for your order, this has over 1,000 games na naka-install. So, marami na rin po kayo mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Now, punta lang tayo sa ROMs folder to access our games. And for games, we actually have here for different genre. We have, for example, yung ating mga Game Boy Advance, Game Gear, Nintendo DS, NES, and SNES. Mga Zelda, Pokemon, Mario, Kirby, and marami pa pong iba. Na natin yung mga iba. You're still at Game Boy Advance, and then Nintendo DS. This one, nakasort alphabetically yung mga games niya. So, this is for game P to R. Now, hindi po siya magkasya sa isang page. You just need to click on the R button sa likod to go to our next page. So, we are still at letter P, then hanggang R. Ayan. And then to go back, yung L button naman po sa likod. Now, let's open one game na parati pong hinahanap. One of the Pokemon games. Now, I'll be sending also separate photos ng mga other inclusions that we have for your order package. So, wait na lang din natin na mag-load yung ating game. Alright, so okay na po yung ating order. Ipapack na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!